Alright guys, now this week for our weekly video, I'm in a different car compared to last week. It's another exotic and supercar. This is the longest, well it's not the longest, but it's one of the long names of the Lamborghini. It's the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Zago Edition. Actually, it's not that. It's a Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Roadster Zago Edition. And today we hosted Savage Rally, and I'm going to show you some footage of that in just a second. But we're now heading out to lunch. It's a nice sunny day, better than last week actually, but it's still a little cold, so that's why the roof is on. We have some cars heading out to lunch. I'm going to show you that in just a moment, and then show you what's happening for the rest of the day. But I kind of wanted to give you a view from the SVJ, and we do have something coming. It's taking a little bit longer, but you're going to see it soon. So footage from Savage Rally joining us today, and then from our post Savage Rally to lunch. Here we go. Look who's here! Dude, how are you? Good to see you. It's been ages. How are you? Nice to meet you. I didn't know you were on this. Alright guys, so that was a crazy day today. Awesome to meet the guys on Savage Rally and some random stuff that also went down. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn notifications on, so I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Lots more to come.